Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by readying both devices. Make sure the camera has at least half battery and the phone's Bluetooth is on. Open the Canon app and allow Bluetooth and location. This lets the app discover devices. On the camera, go to the wireless communication or connectivity menu and enable Bluetooth pairing mode. This creates a visible device name. Once done, keep both screens unlocked and avoid sleep timers so pairing can proceed without interruption. You now follow the app-driven pairing. In the Canon app, tap Add Device then Camera and choose the exact model. The camera will show a PIN or prompt. Confirm that same PIN on your phone or press OK on the camera. This secures the connection. The app and camera perform a handshake and may automatically transfer Wi-Fi credentials for faster transfer. Make sure you stay on the pairing screens until the app reports success to avoid incomplete configuration or dropped pairing. You finish by testing features. Try remote shutter and transfer a sample image to confirm both control and file transfer work. If something fails, first toggle Bluetooth on both devices and restart the phone and camera. This clears transient radio conflicts. Once restarted, remove any stale or duplicate pairings on both devices and retry pairing. If problems persist, update the camera firmware and app. Firmware and app mismatches are a common cause of repeat failures, so make sure they're current before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.